Hey y'all, so I'm back today with a wig install. Hold on, let me adjust this. This is not right. Oh, I didn't even slick my baby hairs back. Hold on. I just slapped this thing on my head. So today I'll be installing this wig, lavender wig that I bought months ago. Haven't installed it yet because I returned it and it came back to me. I wasn't really feeling it, but it didn't get sent to its proper carrier, so it came back. So this is a hair from LishaHair on Instagram. I believe that's the name of it. So I'll be installing this wig. I'm trying to hurry up because I got somewhere to be in like the next hour. Okay. So I know we don't want to rush this look or whatever. I feel like y'all far away from me. So I'm gonna go and set up with this got to be around my perimeter. You know, it's running. It's running. Okay. It's so cold. Okay, so I just went ahead here and sprayed the lace down with some lace spray because it was purple. It was like it's purple, but I like purple. And you can see the lace color now. It kind of colored on the hair, but I went in with some water. I'm pretty sure more water and stuff too is gonna get it off, but it don't look bad. So let me finish laying this here and then I'll be back. Okay, I went up here, got to beat it up to the best of my ability. Now I have to put on some primer guard, like so it protects the hairline, stuff like that. Some of this stuff. Okay. Now I don't know if I was directly supposed to put it on. Like, listen, y'all, this is like my third. This is probably like my third or fourth wig install. Okay. So you gotta bear with me. And I forgot to cut open my ears. I don't do the best video tutorial. Keep getting cut off because I am running out of storage on my phone, even though I bought the freaking cloud space junk. Now I said I just went in here with primer. Y'all probably didn't see that because I got cut off on one of my edges. Got to beat the thing up. And I was telling y'all how this is like my third or fourth install, so don't do me. Still learning. Because once it's on there, it's on there. And that's that. But so I did that here. I'm about to cut this off now, like, you know, all that. But give me a second, because y'all know, like I said, I'm running out of storage, so I don't want to make this video so extended. You already know the steps. Let's just get to it. I'm just showing y'all bits and pieces. So I've watched plenty of little YouTube videos, but this one I've seen someone else doing where they put the like lace glue on the outside. And I've been using like one of these toothpick thingies because I didn't ruin like all sides of my I didn't ruin all sides like of my razor things just from that. Just from putting the glue on the other side of it. But I feel like this way, hopefully, maybe, I don't know, it'll make the cap flatter than what the got to be does. Even though they did all that, like they put some holding spray. They put the holding spray, they put primer, then they put like the lace glue after that. So they was laying like a whole bunch of stuff. I got a hole in my lace glue here, so I have to hold it on the side and shake it down to get it to come out the top because it be acting a fool. But hold on. All right, y'all. So I got the thing like all cut out or whatever. I'm gonna go back over the edges a little bit, like the little flabby little tabs here that are just still rolled up. And then later I gotta go to the store and get me some needle and thread because I forgot that part, you know. Gotta tie that down. But I'm just about to go back in here with some of this lace stuff. Where'd the hole at? Because I told y'all I had a hole in it. I need to go back over that lately. If you putting too much, you see it's still some over there on this side. So this side should just be just fine. That's why I'm definitely now. But hold on. Like I said, I'm just going back over the little spots. And I told y'all for the lace, same lace spray, I'm going to use this right here for the cap. I don't use the makeup stuff or whatever. I mean, ooh. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I know I'm supposed to be using like a comb or something, but so right now I don't have that. I have a hot comb to do so. And we're gonna hold it down with the lace band here. It might not look as bad as I thought. I don't know. Yet. I ain't done yet. I just like the color. You know what I'm saying? It's cute or whatever. Don't know how I'm gonna style it or nothing yet. But we'll be back. Still waiting. But in the meantime, I'm just playing around with it. I combed it out and stuff. I mean, it might have potential. Okay, y'all, hey. I had a nail appointment. Nail in, so mani petty girl. I had to get myself together. But I'm back now. So we can finish this off. I did leave it just like this and went on to my appointment because I was going to be late. So this thing should be more than laid down, okay? So as I'm going cutting through the lace, whatever. I just wanted to show y'all what I was talking about, why I didn't like it and why I sent it back. Like, why is this like really like, it's just not worth the price. But usually I'm gonna wear it because I bought it. But the top is like, it's just not the same as the back. You can clearly tell the difference. Like, you know, we need to protest these people together because they ought to be ashamed of themselves. So as I'm cutting the lace, I see there's some spots here that I didn't hit. So I'm gonna hit that here now before I continue. So while the first layer drying of it, I'm gonna go around to the next side and then come back and do layer after layer, okay?
I feel like by this time we too old to be dragging shit out.
Just kidding. Alright, y'all, it's coming together. Okay, y'all, now hot comb is hot. Now we hot comb what we need to. Okay, probably didn't part it the best. Like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this top part. It's just working my nerves. Like, look at it. Use this waxing stick to hold down the flyaway hairs. Since this hair was all straight, I had to braid it up and make it curl. This is what you call making the best of something. I'm just trying to get the back, the front to be like the back, crippled. Now let's just use some random hairspray and hold the little braids. Now let's see if I did a good job. Okay, it has some grip to it. It's not the best, but it's better than what it looked like before, remember? Now I could have went down a little further to the end, but we get the idea, right? Alright, y'all, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the finished product. I didn't put any baby hairs out. But I think it looks dang good. Like, it turned out pretty good. It turned out better than I expected it to. Okay, my video keeps ending because my storage is low. And that just means it's over. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you like the style that I did,